Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shati and today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of very beautiful, very different and very gorgeous eye look. If you're interested in this kind of look, then please keep on watching. So I have done with my foundation, concealer and bronzer. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids. For that I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm going to blend this with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use this Pretty Offset eyeshadow palette for today's look. I'm taking this black shade. So with the same brush, I'm just going to smudge this black shade. Now I'm going to take this color and I'm going to blend that black shade. Now again I'm taking that black shade and I'm applying it on my outer V portion. Now I'm going to cut my crease. For that I'm taking this FS38 base by Kryolan. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery shade, this kind of a goldy bronzy shimmery shade, and I'm just going to place on all over my lid. Now I'm going to add gel liner and I'm taking this Maybelline Jet Black Gel Liner. Now I'm going to add white gel liner on my lower lash line and this is by Absolute New York. Now again taking that black shade and I'm applying that on my lower lash line. Now taking that pink shade again and I'm blending that also. Taking this pencil brush and I'm going to apply that on my inner portion. With the help of the same concealer, I'm just clearing the inner portion. And now I'm going to add highlighter. I'm going to use this pearl highlighter. And I'm applying it till the middle part. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone and I'm going to use this beautiful shade. Now it's time to add some glitters. So my eye makeup is completed. Now I'm going to put some falsies and gonna complete my rest makeup and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. I am so much happy with the result. If you like this look too, then please let me know by commenting below, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. See you soon in my next video also. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.